YouTube family, JR at it again another time with a real talk. I bless up to each and every one wherever you are on this globe and Mother Earth. Blessing to each and every one of you. This one in particular, I want to reach out to the youth them from the ghetto or our so-called garrison, wherever you know are on the globe and Mother Earth. Yeah. This one particular is you guys, and what I wanna say to you guys, don't let failure be a part of your action or our option. Don't let failure be a part of that. Yeah. Failure must not be a part of that, because when we come from the ghetto and garrison and we feel by some of our parents, some of us feel by our mother, some of us feel by our father, we feel by our so-called leaders or politicians. And because we have feel by so many people, we cannot make failure be an option. And the reason why we cannot make failure be an option, if we allow failure to be an option, who gonna break the cycle, or how the cycle gonna be break? When we start get youth of our own and start make a family of our own, if we make failure be an option, how we go be there for them and point them in the right direction? We cannot. So the emphasis even place on us who been failed by so many people to push ourselves to the limit and don't make failure be an option in order for us to break the cycle for the next generation. And that's what I want to say to the ghetto youth them. Place value on your life. Whole heap of people, some little crime where we commit and lose our life for, is because we don't place value on it. Because we don't place value on it. Some place over the world, man a thief a goat and I get dead for a goat, a animal. That's how much our life value. That's we run the risk now, say, all right, if we do this, if we get caught, if possible, we might die. And we still take the choice. And is not that matter of life and death situation. Why we do it? It's just true we develop a habit where we think we need to do this in order to put money in our pocket. And even I look from the two sides of the coin, what if me get caught? This might lead to my life. Is this animal may take hurt my life? And those are the things we need to start looking into. Crime, when we are getting in a certain crime, are getting involved in a certain things. We need to look into ourselves and say, is this worth it? And when we start point back the finger at ourselves and start ask ourselves these questions, then when we start answer these questions to ourselves, maybe those answers can help us to change our thought process and change our mind, the way we think and go about things. Because if we place value on what we have, which is the one life that gonna carry us throughout this journey here on Mother Earth, then we would not involve in certain things. Don't care how the struggle get rough. We try and hold on in there, hang on in there, try find our way out. And these are some of the things we want us as Ghetto Youth to take in consideration as somebody who are come from the so-called ghetto, who are come from nowhere, still on the journey. Not that I reach where I want to go, but I'm still on the journey continue. And if I can reach out to one somebody and say, hold the faith, because the reward for feeling ourselves, or let failure be option, is too great. It's too great. It's gonna devastate for the next generation, our next generation where we are help build. So make we take the word the failure out of our vocabulary and just continue press along and never give up. Don't care how hard or how rough it get. Them have a saying say, sometimes the darkest part of night is when they about to light. So sometimes when you go through a rough patch in your life, that's the time you need to persevere. Because when you persevere, that's the time you trod along. When you persevere, that's the time success is at the end. So don't give up, my people. Don't give up. Just keep pressing on. Whatever the circumstance and the situation we find ourselves in, let us not make failure be an option. Ghetto Youth, we can make it, We can make it if we keep on persevere. Remember, if you're trying to accomplish something and academically you're not there with the brain, because it's not everybody is academic, We can go learn a skill, We can go learn a skill. We can get there by that next route. So we, if we focus and have a determination and know what we want and what we want to accomplish on this journey, and just make a step towards it. Some of the time we have to even drop some of the company that we are around because the influence that them have on us not even positive. And if we keep them the company there, we not go step towards where we fi step to. So some of the time we have to just drop certain company. Me not say fi vex with nobody or create animosity with nobody. It's just that Me used to hang out with you, now me not hang out with you no more. Me still pass you and heal you and everything. I could create a mentality in us that push us to excel and to success and to achieve and to go forward instead of backward or stuck in a cycle where we are come bring the next generation in here. To create a positive mindset and look forward to tomorrow and work towards a better tomorrow. Peace.